Hey guys, in this video we are going to install and activate original Crocoblock Wizard with the license key. So it is a lifetime license key that you can use on multiple websites. So let me show you how you can do that. Let's go to the plugins again and click on add new and upload plugin. And just choose the Crocoblock Wizard file and just activate it. Now you can see that JetPlugins will show up here. So let's go on, let's click on let's go, and you need to enter your license key here. So we will get our license key and paste it. Now you will have two options. Either you can go with full Crocoblock installation or just a JetPlugins installation. So we will go with full Crocoblock installation. We'll install that. Now it is asking for theme. Currently we don't have any good theme, so we'll just go with current theme. You can choose a template if you want, so let's just choose this. And these plugins are required, so go, and these are the extra plugins. So click on continue. It will install all the necessary plugins for us. As you can see, all the plugins are installed, so we will just click on. As you can see that it is a lifetime license that is showing active, also showing Crocoblock and all the included plugins. So this is how you can activate all the stuff. So this is just importing the sample data and all, but here I was here to show you the license, so it is done. Also, if you need this license key, you can contact me from the contact details given in the description below, so I'll get to that. So I hope this video was useful to you. Please give this a thumbs up and thank you for watching this video.